Alright, so let's talk about dummy batteries. Have you ever in a situation where your camera actually dies, especially when you do those long recording? Yeah, happen to me most of the time, especially when I'm shooting in the studio like this. Sometimes I may actually check in to see if my battery is dying, because I have to swap out batteries each time my camera need battery to change, especially when I'm doing those long recording sessions. It's a bit of a frustration, you know, have to swap out batteries every time you're in the studio like this. Now in this video, I'm going to show you guys why every content creator needs a dummy battery, which actually changed my workflow. Now this video is indeed sponsored by Llano, because they have sent out the battery for me to test out, and this right here has changed the game. Now before we get into it, let's discuss what is a dummy battery for those of you who don't understand. Now, a dummy battery is a battery that goes inside your camera, which plugs straight into a wall outlet, which gives your camera continuous power without have to swapping out your batteries into your camera. Just like how it sounds, dummy batteries. Now, this type of battery normally comes with an adapter which plugs into the wall outlet, and also another connection which connects to your battery and straight into your camera. But the thing though, if you own a Sony ZV-E1 or other later camera, now these cameras nowadays have a function where you can charge it via the USB type C, you know, and get power into your camera as well, continuous support. But in terms of long recording like this inside an enclosed building, in an enclosed space, your camera can potentially overheat if you charge it while using it in a stationary position like this. So that's why I really recommend a dummy battery in this type of scenario. Now, if you're doing like a run and gun type of shoot, I wouldn't really recommend a dummy battery. In that case, I normally use like a V-mount battery to power my camera, which I can charge it that way to have continuous power. But like I'm in a stationary position like this, where I'm in the studio, where I'm probably doing a live interview or a live broadcast, and those things, a dummy battery is what we can actually use in this type of scenario. Now, the problem that I find with using normal battery in your camera, especially when you're doing those long type of session, is that sometimes it can be a bit pain to actually swapping out batteries. You might in a set, you know, and the battery just eventually dies and you have to start all over again, or probably something like that. You might cut out some important part of your video that you will want to capture. So having a dummy battery right here is gonna eliminate all this process, especially when you're doing those type of work. Now in my studio like this, I have my camera. I can just plug in the dummy battery inside my camera, and I can just come right here and just have my camera turns on throughout the entire session, and just hit and record, and just sit and record all of my YouTube videos without have to worry about changing battery, which sometimes can make the workflow more productive in terms of doing more work when you're recording. Now, when choosing dummy batteries can be quite challenging, because there are a lot of dummy batteries out there on the market. Now, what I recommend is that get the specific model for your camera, whatever camera that you're using. You can go online and do your research of some models that you can choose from. Now, the exact model that I'm using right here is a off-market brand. Now, the reason why I'm recommending this brand as well, because I have tested out a lot of their products in terms of different other battery supplies. You know, Llano is a company that are known for different batteries in terms of accessories for your camera. So I have tested them quite a few times, so I know that these are goods. But if you are going to buy any cheap knockoff battery, it can damage your camera. So please bear that in mind when purchasing these type of battery.